Sir has done this. So when Sir does this, it's a big thing. So I tried it, and no, किसी ने देखा नहीं. I tried doing this.
College and everything was Khalsa college. I used to walk, and there used to be two sardars with a sword in their hand.
I had gone to see the shooting of the film.
Okay.
The film was called Harjai.
Okay.
Okay, and then I just gone to see the shooting. I was not an actor or anything. I was just gone to see, and then somebody came. Arey, hello, pool peko. I was throwing pool. I remember the first day when I met him. I went for the Murat shot and everything. So I went to Chennai. I was quietly sitting down. Sir was sitting next to me. I was looking at him, and then I saw a lot of some people were sitting there. They were South Indians and some cast and crew. Lot of people I didn't know anybody.
Yeah.
I don't know anybody there. So Shankar sir was there. So sitting there. So when he kept his one leg on the top of the other leg, and everybody so I didn't understand. So I realized it that according to all of them, it's a sir ne kya style kiya.
Oh, okay.
It's more like, and then he did this something, and I could see somebody nudging.
So they watch him that closely.
Sir has done this. So when Sir does this, it's a big thing. So I tried it, and no, किसी ने देखा नहीं. I tried doing this. So it was. He's an actor with a lot of style. He does everything with style, and otherwise, if you meet him, he's just a very humble man, quiet.
The uniform was white jeans and white shirt. Okay. Now, things like this. Right? So this is here also. Right? So what I used to do, I used to tear this.
Oh.
Okay? So now there is no pocket. My hand can go anywhere. Okay? So the hand can go here also as well as it can go here. So now I have made a whole list what I have to copy. So I am copying. In copying, the teacher has to, if she catches you, she has to catch you with the chit.
Right.
Otherwise, you are not copying. So the chit is very important.
I love it. I love it.
So I was copying Rajiv, and my name is also Rajiv in my school. So the teacher saw me copying. Okay, she said, Rajiv, you're copying. So I was sitting on the 7th bench, and she says, you're copying. So now I have gotten up, I have taken the paper, and I have put it in this pocket. Now in this pocket I have put it, so she saw me putting it in this pocket. But she doesn't know that pocket is not there. So now this chit has come in this hand because they can meet inside. So now she's come, remove that chit. Ma'am, I was not copying, there's no chit. Remove it. And now the chit has come here. So she's not concentrating here, she's concentrating here. So now I have thrown it. Remove it. I said, I don't have it. And then she's put her hand inside. तो चिट तो मिला नहीं, कुछ और मिल गया. And she's come out. She's come out. I said, Miss, I told you. Don't do that. And you will not believe it, after that day, whenever she used to see me coming, she used to go the other side. She is going. And she refused to talk to me for the rest of my life. So, but don't do this.
It's hard to top that story now. But tell us, Uma.
I can't follow up with that story, really.
Don't try this at home,
Yeah.
as they say.
Well, I didn't say the
punchline.
punchline. Yeah.
I
was.
even I'm scared to hear this. Let me guess.
What?
You were not wearing anything under the pants. Do you feel, having worked with her as a co-star back in the day, do you feel like this is her calling? Writing is what she was meant to do always?
Yes, looking at her 14 films, what she's done, she's taken the best decision that she
Yes,
is. So she's taken the best decision of writing, and she's always been a very good. I still remember when I was doing films with her, and she used to. I think when the shot was not ready and lighting was going on, she used to just have a book and she used to keep on reading. There was a fruit plate there, and she used to eat the whole fruit plate, and she used to keep on reading, and she used to read one novel a day.
You're saying she wasn't focusing on acting.
That's right. That's right. So, so she was only reading. She loves it. Madam, shot ready. Are you? Go. Kya malum nahi shot? What? She never knew anything about it. Yes, but she surely knew what the continuity of the page was. But she never knew the continuity of the film. I was just telling her how it was in my college. My college and everything was Khalsa college. I used to walk, and there used to be two sardars with a sword in their hand. And then somebody is hurling a stone at each other, and it was like no harm or anything, but it was so much fun. In one movie, my only role was to throw flowers at Ranbir Kapoor during a marriage sequence.
When is this that she's talking about?
So this was actually in 1986. That is about 33 years back.
False. This is false.
You are wrong again.
Oh no! What is happening to me?
He's done some really fun things in the early half of his career.
How can you not guess it?
I didn't know this.
This basically,
That's
I had
Nemo.
gone to see the shooting of the film.
Okay.
The film was called Harjai.
Okay.
Okay, and then I just gone to see the shooting. I was not an actor or anything. I was just gone to see, and then somebody came. Arey, hello, pool peko. I was throwing pool.